This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Hyundai Getz 5-door hatch, stock reference number 5322. The shape runs from the 10th month 2005 through to the 9th month 2011. It has a G4EE, 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. G4EE, 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiated grille, right-hand headlight, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand front headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, faded paint, left front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left front door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Unfortunately nothing has survived on the rear end. Right hand rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right front door has one small dent, right power door mirror has faded paint, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. All the seats and headrests are faded. Manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, left sun visor, interior mirror, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.